Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to request money using Google Pay. First, take your phone and open the Google Pay app. Make sure you are using the account linked to your bank or UPI ID. Once you are logged in, look for the Contacts section in the app. This section may be called People or Contacts depending on your app version. Here you can see all the people who are on Google Pay. Now scroll through your contacts or use the search bar to find the person you want to request money from. You can type their name, phone number, or email address. When you find the right contact, tap on their profile. This will open the chat section with that person. In the chat section, look for the button that says Request. Tap on it. A new screen will appear where you can enter the amount you want to request. Type the exact amount and, if you want, you can also add a short note to explain why you are requesting the money. After entering the amount, tap the Send Request button. This will send a request message to the person. They will receive a notification about your request. Once they see it, they can choose to pay you directly through Google Pay. When they complete the payment, the money will be added to your linked bank account. Thanks for watching.